Hello all, welcome to our channel. So service areas we are updating for Google Map location common point. For service areas main purpose, what are the areas you will be service will be provided. That is the purpose we are adding the service areas. Suppose my location will be so and so Hyderabad. Hyderabad, what are the areas you covered? Suppose I'm in Hyderabad. Not all areas are not covered. Specific some areas are there. What are the specific areas I covered that will be added on your Facebook business page? We can go to here. These service areas are eligible, which is created Facebook business page along with address. Without address, service areas will be not eligible. With address, service areas will be eligible. So that is called go to about, location will be done, edit your option, just scroll down here. What are the your everything will be here. The above locations are here. Address added, everything added. Check with the option will be here and location is correct or wrong. So my billing will be properly correct. After that, scroll down, see this my service areas. My page will be Bajpalli, Madhapur, KBH, Vichandanagar, Haida City, Kondapur, Hyderabad, Miapur, Kugarpalli, Nizampet. Any other location you want. So I'm not in Madhya Pradesh, I'm into BHL. So the location will be not available. So what we can call, yeah. So already 10 areas will be done. So already will be done here. So they will accept how many areas? Only for 10 areas. So what are the areas? Nothing but what is your business nearby your locations that will be covered. Anything will missing, old one remove, add the new one. So if I'm not interested to identity, remove, add by the nearby location. So anything. So I'm clicking will be here. So not available. If it is not available here, then nothing but you are leave for that location. So nothing will be available. So which is location you will be comfort zone, that will be add will be here. Then 10 locations. Is it clear? This will be automatically will be saved. No need to save for the here. Suppose you have don't location, my page does not have location, the service area will be disabled. Which business page along with address the accept by service areas up to 10 areas. Service area is nothing but what are the areas you do the business. So that areas will be covered will be here. After the service area will be finished, you have to create by the services option. What are those services you created? That option will be compulsory mandatory. This will be engage the audience. So how we can edit this tab? Go to edit tab option, which is tab will be into footer. We can go with this particular option will be here. Enable this tab here. New version and old version same, but option will be little bit difference for the new versions. So compulsory location wise, you will target by the audience. Sir, my Facebook business page, no location are here. So simple. I'll go with this Facebook page. I have to show business page is not available. How to create? It is possible or not? Go to about. See here. If you go to here, computer training school, everything will be in this option. If you go to will be in this page and click for about. See this. This will be showing with the location. This showing with the without location. See this. So how we can do this? Edit. Here will be here. What is that? Your service areas. Location will be here. Add this option. What address will be here? This will be into this. Hyderabad, or else United States. For the zip code, you can add by the zip code will be here. But you will be in Hyderabad, Hyderabad. So address will be here and add by the service areas. When add your particular location properly done, they'll accept by your particular location will be use the particular option. So with the location, without location, a lot of difference will be there. Location will be not available. Click for edit option and hide your particular map location. If you don't have a physical address, no need to use the one. Compulsory Facebook business page use the physical location that will compulsory available into Google Maps. Without Google Maps, don't create the address into the Facebook business page. They easily connect from the Hyderabad, India. The page will belongs to for where? Hyderabad, India. They connect with. Or else I change the location will be US. They connect with the US option. Along with pin code. Only two option. US and add the pin code. That's enough. Why? Because when I'm adding Indian number, use the India location. When I add the US number, add the US location. So after this one, sorry, can you add the areas? It is possible or not? See this one. Areas. United States. Canada. Is done. See this here. If I'm go for back, see this. Save option eligible or not? No. Reason? My address is Hyderabad. But am I writing for different service areas? So compulsory you will be follow the guidelines. Your travel provide good service to customers. Select your neighborhood, town, cities or religion. Define your service areas. You can go for Madhapur. So add the location. It is the this. So everything will be depend on your particular location wise. You can save by the every options are here. So this is the done by your location. So compulsory when I have the location, proper address is mandatory field. So this compulsory follow it here and compulsory will be use this particular service area future. Is it clear? Which is Google Map location that eligible by the Facebook business page option. Reason map will be identified your Google Map location. Is it clear? Compulsory without Google Maps. Can I create a Facebook page also? Will you create? What is the mapping will be manual. That will be not worked out by your particular Facebook page. Is it clear? So compulsory you can follow this, which is a Google Map location that will be converted into Facebook business page option. So if any further doubts, ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.